Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this tutorial, we will see how we can use Chat GPT in VS Code. So to do that, you need to go to extensions and then search for Code GPT and then install this extension. Once extension is installed, in order to use it, you have to integrate your Chat GPT API key with VS Code extension. In order to integrate your Chat GPT account with VS Code, you need to visit OpenAI website and from your account, go to View APIs key. Here you will find your key. You need to click on Create button in order to generate one. Copy the generated one and paste that in VS Code. To configure Code GPT, go to Settings in VS Code. You may go to Setting from this bottom left gear icon on Windows machine and search here Code GPT. Paste your API key here and you may choose a specific model. For now, I am keeping it the default one. In order to use it, go to this Code GPT icon on left sidebar. Once you click it, it will open a text search box where you can query. For example, I can say write a sum function of two nums. I press the enter and it has generated the result for me. So I can simply click on it and it will automatically copy onto the highlighted file. So as I click, it appears. It also gives you some test scenarios as well. Now you can use this function by calling it I'm supplying 5, 5 and then displaying here on console. I run it and you can see this can be very helpful when we integrate ChatGPT in our VS Code. And that's about this tutorial. If you like the information, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.